So we should be live. We should be live. Let me see if I can just pop up my overhead webcam up here so you guys can see that. Yeah. I'll just take this and put it up over here. How's it going, guys? I know the overhead camera won't be synced up really. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and kind of play around with OpenBSD on stream because I haven't been very active lately. Just haven't. So let's fix that, you know. Chowplek, yo, how's it going? How's it going? So I'm using Alacrity here. And the weird thing is Alacrity with transparency causes the geometry like pop up in CWM to like just completely be screwy. So that's annoying, but it is what it is. I have also changed my font to this italic IBM Plex Mono font. It's really good, like really good. I really like it. And let me run sensors. So also with the Noctua fan in here, the system stays pretty cool. Like doesn't even get like up to like where it was getting under load, like 65. I have to like really stress test this bitch so I get it to be hot, which is really nice. It's great. Low mic volume, it should be fine. Oh, what am I trying to do? SNDO CTL. Yeah, see, input level at 1%. Can I, man, SNDO CTL. Let me see. Can I set, hold on. Let's try doing this. SNDO CTL -F SND/2 input dot level equals 1. All right. Did that change anything? Am I louder now? Net Nerd, how's it going? Mike's fine. Yes, I am back on OpenBSD. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Well, Jeff, if you were going to stream, if you want to do something together, I'm down. Much louder. Epic. Too loud? Or just good? Big improvement. Word. Okay. I totally forgot that I wasn't using it as default. Now how I'm doing my devices, if I pop down in my X session, I know technically this should be in my dot profile. It is in my dot profile, but as a backup, I also put in my dot X session because this is what XenoDM launches. And I know for sure it's going to run. It's paranoid. It's just my shit. Okay. Don't get on to me. I'm setting it now with, these two lines here, audio play device and audio record device. Those are what I'm doing, but I need to start doing NVIM. I might just alias Vim to NVIM, but I want to use Neovim and really see if I notice any difference, like whether or not it's better. We'll have to figure out. And also, boys, I would love to know if anyone can give me this little mystery here. Why does my dot profile have syntax highlighting and my dot X session does not? Like my dot X resources file has it, but I go into my dot good Lord, X session file here, and don't have it. Why is that? Does that make any sense? Voice of the True. What's up? What's up? Boba, Penguin Eye, F Society, Net Nerd, Blackheim, everyone, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I'm trying to remember, did I set this to be? No, I did not. Oh wait, I'm over here. I don't know that I can. Yeah, there we go. I can bring this above Neovim here. I mean, not that it matters, but yeah, we've got the nice overhead camera. Like I set this up. Yes, it's laggy. I know. Don't know why, but it's supposed to be running at 4K and shit, and it doesn't really work. No manual entry for path. All right, so we need to fix some shit in our Neovim, I guess. I don't know. I just installed it. I don't know. .sec is basically any executable file. Put the shebang at the top of it. I am open to multiplayer or something. Gonna stream Star Trek game. Hell yeah. I'm down. We can play some Zero AD. Oh wait, hold on. I'm sorry. You said gonna stream some old Star Trek game. Well, I don't know that I have any of the old Star Trek games here. Whoa. I did not mean to tab. Oh, wait, hold on. I mean, I shouldn't have to put a shebang at the top of it. Let me put a shebang. Anyway, /bin/s, yeah, /sh. Let's just... I don't think that's going to do anything, though. Oh, come on. Tabby.accession. Yeah, see, nothing. I don't know why we don't get syntax highlighting there. I am running CWM. It's fantastic. Oh. Fantastic window manager. Superb. Absolutely superb. You can compile a CX cubal and use it as .x session. I don't know about that. Oh, did I change? Oh, yeah. I don't know if I changed anything, but whatever. Close out of there. Anyway, so hold on. Let me nvim into .kshrc, and I'll set a alias for it in here. We'll alias vim to nvim. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I've done no customization to it at all, and it's already fine. So, like, it's pretty much vim. Oh wait, hold on. We need to do. See, but I noticed it there. That was not in vim. Ooh. Vim.x resources. Yeah, here we go. Works. Okay, so let's do this. Vim.accession and let me go tabby.local bin. Let's just do stream OpenBSD. We'll copy this, paste this in here, delete this. Just do that to clean it up. And we're going to do this just to get the syntax highlighting in here according to F Society. Then let's do chmod, do as chmod a plus x dot x session. Okay, now vim dot x session. Get rid of that. Perfect. WQ. And now, God bless. Okay, so we have to keep the executable bit in there. Okay, all right, fine. Fine. Let's just go back into stream. Why not? Hello? No? Let's do this. There we go. All right. Oh, itch. Okay, so there we go. We got it. Oh, Leo, CWM, the Calm Window Manager. That's the desktop I'm running. OpenBSD. Thought I said that, but I might not have. But yeah, this is what I'm running. Does it even say the Calm Window Manager? Yeah, Window Manager, CWM. We need to theme stuff. Do that too. How do you change everything to be italic in my Alacrity config? Oh, shit. Whoops. Okay, switching over to Neovim has been completely painless, and I don't even know that I want to do any extra configuring. Like, it just works. I do need to see about like how to bring up nerd tree and stuff, because I feel like that's like integrated right into Neovim. But this is how I do it. I don't know if I've uploaded my dot files yet, which I definitely need to, because this font that I'm using is in my dot files, or it will be in my dot files. But I've shrinked down the Alacrity config quite a lot. Like, I'm pretty proud of how much I decreased my last Alacrity's config size. But this is here. I just set the normal font to italic and the regular bold to bold italic, and then, you know, got the regular shiznit here. But this is, again, Alacrity. That is what I'm using as my terminal. Font name, it's IBM Plex Mono. It's very nice. Let me do my Yatum status, because I have a feeling that, I need to go ahead and add this. Yeah, it's time I did a push, or wait, hold on, a commit, excuse me, -am, we'll give it add IBM Plex Mono, /sys update, because I have improved quite a few things. God dang, that's a lot of commits. Yatum push, enter my username, and because I do have the overhead cam on, let me just take it and put it. Okay, may have accidentally killed the stream. Great job, Tyler. Great job. I accidentally logged out. Professional. Wow. I'm a pro at this live streaming stuff, as you can tell. Now I'm just trying to get chat loaded back up. Boom. Here we go. Come on, YouTube, load up, baby. Here we go. Yee. Give me live chat. Hamodi, how's it going? Yeah, I accidentally killed the stream. My bad. My bad, boys. My bad. Let's see. Okay, so, and the only reason I did that was because I was about to push up my dot files. So let me go ahead and do that. Oh wait, I think I changed my GitLab password. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Notifications going off on my phone. Oh, this is the best. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to do this at a different time. I'll update my dot files for you boys here in a little bit. But, yeah. Neovim seems to be fine. And I've got Neovim alias to Vim, so I'll actually, like, use it. You know? Even if it's not on purpose. Let me see. I should also load up over here the Neovim site. Go into their documentation. Let's see if I can take this out into another window, bring it over here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's zoom out just a bit. Oh yeah, my mouse has gotten really big. It does that for some reason. Anytime I like kill CWM, like my like mouse font gets, or mouse cursor gets just massive. I have no idea why, but it's just one of the fun features of using XenoDM nowadays. It's weird. It seems like the chat is not updating. If I could get a yay or nay in chat on, I don't know, audio or something, just let me know chat's working. Because on my end, chat does not seem to be updating. Looks like the window's frozen. Perfect. Awesome. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Just wanted to make sure chat was working. Thank you, boys. So is there anything about Neovim or OpenBSD that you guys want to know? Or is there anything about Neovim that you guys want to share? Because I'm not that knowledgeable on anything. We do need to do some theming though, because this is just hard to read here. And I wish, I can't get Chrome for some reason. Chrome does not want to accept my new font that I'm using. For some reason it's sticking to Hermit. I don't know why it's set to Hermit. I don't know how I did that. I've tried changing it in the settings. It does nothing. Like I've set it to the same font I'm using here, IBM Plex, and it doesn't set. So I don't know. I don't know what it is. I might need to change up colors. Just use Astro in Vim. It's lightweight. I don't know. Neovim seems fine. Like, I mean, I really don't need to change anything so far. I really don't know. Seems fine. You know, but I mean, I haven't really been working on anything crazy. Can load up my webcam here. Hey boys, how's it going? I don't know that this is like actually synced up with the audio at all. It's probably not. Let's be real. Let's just be honest. Oh, it's a Neovim config. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know anything about making my own Neovim config. I'm genuinely an idiot when it comes to Neovim so far. I know nothing. Let me load up another browser window. Shrink it down, take it over here. We'll make this full screen. And we'll take you down here as well with chat. So let's see. Let's see. Astro and Vim. Astro Vim will now be known as Astro NVim to clear up any confusion surrounding this being a Neovim configuration versus a Vim configuration. Damn, this looks really fucking good. File Explorer with NeoTree. Requirements, nerd fonts, Neovim. Terminal with true color support for the default theme. Otherwise, it's dependent on the theme you're using. Optional requirements, rip grep, lazy git, htop, Python, Node. Do I even have an NVim config by default? Let's see. Let's see. This stream is a little laggy. Rutro, why are you lagging? Oh, the bit rate's really low. I'm doing it over Wi-Fi. That might be it. Rutro. How hard would it be to use your CWM config in Fedora? Shouldn't be hard at all. It should just work. I didn't try CWM in Fedora, so I have no idea how CWM is there, but I would assume it'd be fine. No lag problems. Awesome. Cool. Okay. Cool. Well, as always, YouTube's giving me, warnings. Thanks, YouTube. So let's see. ls.config. Do I have a Neovim folder? No, I don't. No NVim folder at all. Excuse me. Okay. So let's see. Clone the repository. NVim plus Packer sync. Okay. Let's Control C this. Let's go Control Shift V. Okay. And go to this. Error detected while processing. Init Lua error while calling Lua chunk. Failed to load core.auto cmd. Function error in main chunk. Huh. What the fuck? Okay, so let's go and check in the init.lua. Let's see what's wrong in here. Vim init init.lua. Check NVIM version. Okay. Wait, so how do you check the NVIM version? Is it just -V? Oh shit, yeah, we're running 0.61. Ooh, that's a big ruh-roh. That's no bueno. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Shit. Well, that's no good. OpenBSD, Neovim, 0.7. Well, no, it's saying 0.7. The fuck? Do as pkg underscore add dash u. $4.22. So what day is it today? I don't know. I should have the update. I guess. I mean, I think I've got Lua installed. Not positive, but I mean, I feel like in Neovim would install Lua. Because doesn't it use Lua? Come on. Why wouldn't Neovim have been updated to the last version? Because I just installed it. If I just installed it, why is it giving me 0.61? This is weird. Like, why would I get... If I just installed Neovim today, why would I get 0.6 instead of 7? Do I have to be running... Maybe I have to be running dash current to get 7. That would be fucked up. Because let's see. This update might have been after 7.1 dropped. So let me go to OpenBSD 7.1. Where's the release date for 7.1? Oh, I don't want the change log. Released April 21st. And on the 22nd, Neovim 7 dropped. Yep. Yep, I do have to go to dash current. God damn it. Well. 7 was imported 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Yellow Ghost Ranger. It would be easy to build 7.0 on 7.1 as a port. Sure, you say easy, I have no idea how to do it. So, yeah. Huh. Not a lot of CVS history. I can do it for you if you trust my binary package. There's not many people that I would trust binary packages from, but I think I could trust your binary package. Tim, OpenBSD. How's it going? Or the OpenBSD guy, my bad. How's it going? I mean, I could build it. As my own package. Or as a binary package. Oh, yeah. But I don't know about that. I don't know why my webcam is lagging so much, and it was lagging before this too. Let me see. Oh, well, it's probably because I'm running an update too. Sensors. Let's see. Yep. See, we've barely risen any, still at 45 degrees. I love it. Thank you, Noctua. You have made my shit run so much cooler. Voice of the true. Well, I mean, the OpenBSD doesn't work that way. I have to switch over to dash current, which I probably need to do. On desktops, it's pretty, unless you're running a server, it's much more advisable to run dash current anyway. I need to switch over. So that way I'll get 7.0. But that's going to require me to do a reboot unless I specifies otherwise, which I'm not, if we're being honest. Do as sys upgrade dash S for snapshot, and then is it dash N to not reboot? Blackheim, do you remember? OpenBSD guy? I think it's dash N to not reboot. I can't remember. Man sys upgrade. Let's read the man page. Let's be smart. Dash N, fetch and verify the files and create dash, but do not reboot. Yep, that's it. Okay, cool. Just do a sys upgrade dash S dash N. All right. So we'll go ahead and fetch the update and everything. We'll switch over to a snapshot. Why not? I'm just using the Berkeley mirror right now. Dude, Buddy is just passed out. Buddy, how you doing? Yeah. He is comfy. And yes, my room is disheveled right now. I really need to do some cleaning up in here. Very much so. This headset and everything needs to get out of here. Also, one thing that I will say that I'm pretty excited about is I saw a short from Tom McDonald where he was saying that you could use he allows anyone to use his music in live streams or videos and stuff. So I'm definitely going to be including some of his good, he's got some really good music, at least in my opinion. So I'm going to be using that for the channel in different places. Spanky, welcome. Well, right now I'm doing an update so that I can get Neovim 7 to work. And then I think we might try playing a game, perhaps, depending on whether or not anybody's interested in that. If you guys want to play a game, want to see a game, we can do that. We could also do a little bit of racing. It's really up to you guys. It's what you guys want to see. That's what I'm going to go with. That's going to be my answer. Just what do you guys want to see? And yes, I know the camera is terribly lagging. I don't know what's wrong with my Brio, but you know, it is what it is. It's probably just a codec problem. I probably just need to choose something different. But, nah. I mean, is my other webcam going to load up? I don't think so. Whatever you want, buddy. Oh, well, see, that's the thing. I'm down for anything. We could definitely go in and rice the shit out of the system. It's up to you guys. Like, I'm down for any of those. Playing games, obviously, I'm down for. Like, of course. Ricing the system, I'm always down for. Like, yes. I mean, I'm down for anything. I'm game. Ricing CWM. I mean, I'm not going to lie. CWM is not a hard rice for me. Mainly because there's not much to do. Like, let me... Oh, God. This is not going to work because it's going to want to load up Neovim. Well, I should... All right. So here's the main question. Is anyone here going to be bothered if I do a reboot and we come back with dash current and do an update? Like, I mean, obviously I'll start the stream up before I do the update. But we can do an update and then we should have working Neovim if you guys want to see that. But then honestly, if you guys don't want to see that much more of Neovim, then I'll just remove the alias and we'll just use Vim for the rest of the stream. And then I'll update off camera. Are you still trying out Emacs? No. I've pretty much completely stopped using it. And by pretty much, I mean completely stopped using it. One of the reasons I wasn't making videos is I just spent a lot of my time earlier. I helped my grandmother. She's now switched over. We did an SSD upgrade in her laptop, and she's now running Fedora, and she's loving it. Like, she was like, yeah, this is really good. This is really good. She loved Fedora. Okay. All right. So I got plenty of people telling me to reboot. All right. Okay. All right, boys. Well, then we're going to do a very quick reboot here, and then the stream will be back. So you're going to see a loading screen for all of, I don't know, maybe 45 seconds before I'm back in. Well, no, I've got to put in an encryption password. You might have time to go take a piss. All right. So run. Input.level equals 1. All right, boys. So I should be back. I should be loud again. Let me click on YouTube and get chat loaded back up to see how we're doing. Hope everybody bore with me. Thank you, boys. It's good to be back. Good to be back. Let me get pop out chat up. Awesome. So let me see. Can I load up the overhead webcam again? Nope, that's not working. Probably need to do this. Well, hold on. Let's see. Start webcam 2. Yep, permission denied. That's what I thought. Do as chown. chown/dev/video 0. Oh, shoot. I kind of forgot to add Zaney. There we go. And then video 1. Perfect. So now if I do mod P, I get this webcam. Cool beans. I do mod shift P, and it should bring up the overhead webcam. Maybe not. Okay. Why not? There we go. Okay, maybe FF Play can't be doing both of them at the same time. I guess. I don't know. Sounds good. All right, now let's do a do as pkg underscore add. Let me zoom in just a bit. Pkg add dash u. Oh wait, hold on. Control C. We need to do, I think it's dash D snap dash U. Tell it that we're on a snapshot. Okay. All right. So we got a whole bunch of updates. Yee. Let's go, boys. My audio is skipping. Oh, good. Wait. Maybe it's because I had the webcam up too. I have no idea. So is my audio still skipping? That's the main question I got. Is there still a problem with the audio? Let's see. H top. Like, am I having any CPU problems? No? Seems fine. Audio's okay. Okay, cool. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Scott. Yeah, it just got me worried for a second because I've dealt with so many audio issues. I don't want that shit coming back. Root, welcome, man. It's good to see you. Yes, I am back on OpenBSD. Yes, sir. But Spanky, to answer your question, I have upset some people in saying this because it makes me sound like an elitist, but like, trust me when I say I don't mean this at all in that kind of scummy, like better than some people way or attitude. If we're being honest, OpenBSD is probably not for most people. It is highly focused on security, and they are very, very willing to give up features and performance in the name of security. So, really, in all honesty, if security is something that you care about a lot, or you're someone like me where you're also just willing to give up performance and stuff to have a system that essentially looks after you security wise, and like you like something that's very driven, it's very goal driven, OpenBSD is very interesting. But mainly the thing is it's security. That's the main reason you would choose OpenBSD over something like Linux in general, whether it be Arch or Fedora or whatever. That's why you would choose it. Its focus on security is bar none. They don't focus on anything else other than that. And they also have a very, a very passionate team. Like, that's another thing. Like, and they don't have a lot of backing from a lot of corporations and stuff. So there's not, there's not a lot of profit seeking, I guess, in a lot of the OpenBSD teams. Like, focus is not in acquiring funding, but mainly just making something that deserves funding, which I think is admirable. No, Peter, you know that's not what I mean. What did you use that was not Neovim? I've used Vim, like pretty much mostly bone stock Vim for a long time. Then I started using, I've checked out Helix lately. I've checked out Doom Emacs off and on for quite a while. But if we're being honest, Emacs has never been something that is very interesting to me. So Neovim seems kind of nice. I mean, it's really just Vim, but just, I mean, kind of with added extras. It's kind of like if Vim is just a vanilla cake, then Neovim is like a vanilla cake, but coated like with some chocolate and like dripped with some like fudge on top. You know, like that's essentially what Neovim is, from my understanding. How was your experience in Nix? Great. Nix OS was really nice. It just had a lot of features that weren't really relevant for me. That doesn't mean they were bad or that they were intrusive or anything like that. It's just they were definitely they would definitely be much more interesting to people that were developing software much more than I am. Like the most that I do is do some shell scripting and some like freelance like C# script development, like, and even then, like, I'm pretty much using like Unity. That's typically what I do there. Like, so I'll just work out a script to do something like an add-on for a character movement script, you know, something like that. Like, that's typically what I do. I'll get small projects like that here and there. Sometimes it's not even that. Some ports just don't port perfectly, like Kdenlive and Godot. Well, yeah. Well, and see, that's kind of the thing anyway. Godot and things like Kdenlive, they're complex. And that type of complexity makes it really hard to shift over to something like OpenBSD. Because OpenBSD, as far as I've really started to learn here recently, it's very much a moving target, and the API apparently like changes a lot. I have no idea exactly what that means, but that's just something I've read. Apparently it's very difficult to keep up with. Yeah, CWM is really good. It's really good. It's a fantastic window manager. No. If you have an NVIDIA card, OpenBSD will not even boot on it, as far as I know. There's no support for NVIDIA unless your card is fucking ancient. It's not going to work, sadly. I mean, not really. It's just that's the thing. OpenBSD doesn't sign NDAs, and they don't do that stuff. So the things that would be required to get NVIDIA cards functioning on OpenBSD, they won't do. So OpenBSD and NVIDIA probably will never get along. Maybe one day, but I highly doubt it. Nano is the Fisher Price of text editors. I mean, I really can't disagree with that statement. I'm considering trying Nix from Arch, but I'm afraid on losing a lot of time. Well, I mean, if you don't want to try something, don't try something. That's what I would say. But if you want to try something, then it's not a loss of time. Like, you'll be able to, like, if anyone ever asks you, like, why, like, I don't know, like, something's only a loss of time if you look at it like that. If you spend time learning something and you don't, like, you find out, like, Doom Emacs and Emacs in general, it's not for me. I've still spent plenty of time looking into it. I don't consider it a waste of time, because now when someone asks me why I don't use Emacs, I have reasons for it. Like, I can explain why it's not for me. Like, I don't know. It's all in perspective. You don't really lose time unless you think you've lost time. NVIDIA doesn't even work properly on Linux. That's debatable. It works somewhat properly. Depends on what we're talking about. And also depends on how you're running your system. Like, I mean, if you got like a 700, 800 series card, it's probably going to run fine. Like, it's probably going to run normally with the proprietary software. But why don't you use Emacs, by the way? because Emacs is it's too much for me. For me, a text editor, like, because I'm not really developing stuff, like a lot, like I don't live inside of my text editor, and I don't want my text editor to be essentially my work environment. Like Emacs, to get the benefits out of Emacs has to become essentially your workflow. Like you use it as a Git client, you use it as your file browser, you use it as a text editor. Like for me, when it comes to editing text, typically, even scripting, I have maybe 3 text files open, and in Vim, that is remarkably simple to do. When I'm done with them, I leave, and typically I'm in the terminal. When I'm live streaming, I'm typically showing off some shell scripts and stuff, and I don't need to be in Emacs for that. And then there's also the fact that it's a GUI program, and that for me is just, it's not that it's a bad thing, it's just that it's not a plus. Like, no problem, Miguel. If he's having an NVIDIA card that has screen tearing on Arch, it's probably not properly set up, because there can be many things. Like, you have to, for you to fix NVIDIA screen tearing, sometimes setting tear free in Xorg works, but then there's a lot of the times that you have to go into the NVIDIA control panel thingamajigger, and you have to find, there's like 2 options, like composition pipeline or some shit. You have to enable both of those. If you enable one, it won't work. You got to enable both, and then screen tearing will fix. But then sometimes that's not enough, and then there's another third thing that you got to do. But typically, if you do all 3 of those, then it'll work. Pretty much guaranteed on almost every NVIDIA card. But I'm not trying to sell NVIDIA. Like, that's a fucking hassle. That's a nightmare. I've tried VI. VI is bad. It's not that it's bad. It's just that it's featureless. Wait, hold on. All right, so we got everything installed. Let's try opening up Vim. Yeet, boys. We got Astro Vim. Hey, Lamel. Okay. Oh, I like the default theme. Okay. Main display just blinked. Let's try my .x resources. Yo, this theme is tight. Yo, Astro Vim, fucking lit. I'm game. Okay. Yeah. Sold. Yes, sir. What theme is that? Fuck. That is good. That is some good shiznit, dude. What the fudge knit? Let's go to Astro Vim, because we also need a theme Chrome. Like, Chrome looks like ass right now. Can I get Astro Vim? Hello? Astro in Vim? Yes. Hello? Hello? Google? Okay, so Chrome's not working. That's cool. Let's p-kill Chrome. Well, I mean, that's going to kill my Chrome window over here. Maybe it's just because it's in a different one. Yeah, Chrome is just shitting itself. Okay. All right, so I won't be able to see chat here for just a second. Working better. Not with Discord, no. Chrome was better with Discord. But you know what? With the issues that I'm having over here, the pop-out chat is still working in Chrome, but like I can't get Chrome to open up any other web page. So let's just load up Firefox. Failed to execute Firefox. Firefox permission denied? Huh? What? Shit. Hold on. Did I remove Firefox? Might have. I did. Do as pkg underscore add Firefox. All right. Oh, TFL, welcome. I don't know if I saw your comment and said welcome earlier, but yes, we are back on OpenBSD. Let me open up this. I'll bring this over here. Why not? I mean, I still assume it's going to be laggy and shit, but why not? Okay, so now let me load up Fire. Oh, not a Fire. Oh, thank you. That's not what I wanted. Firefox. There we go. Okay. Not now. Okay, so Firefox, I think, is working. Neovim, or let's go to Astrovim. Let's load up Vim. Color scheme. Default theme. I know, but I want to get, I want you to show me, like, tell me what the default theme is. That's what I want to find out. Oh, wait, what? We can just install a language support server? Just by doing LSP install? Interesting. I like. Yes. Yes. Tell me more. Uh-huh. Yeah, I mean, dude, the default theme is like just lit. Where is like, do we have like a keybind thingamajigger here? Do you have perhaps documentation? Yes, of course. Usage, perfect, basic walkthrough. Space E. Fuck me. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I like it. E dog. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is pretty fucking nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah. I very much like Astro and Vim is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. We can definitely work with that. That's for sure. That's for real sure. So going to my like X resources. I just love the way it looks. I just wish I knew what actual theme this was. Wait, you can open a terminal in here? Wait, what? Control L? Wait, hold on. Wait, what? No, wait, hold on. What did that? What is going on? So, Control L? I don't know what that... Okay. Hello? Okay, just get out of there. Okay, I have no idea what's going on. Oh, yeah. I'm going to butcher your username. I'm just going to pre-apologize. I'm so sorry. Belial, Doing good. Sound is out of sync. I know. It's because the camera is like all types of screwy. Yeah. I could, let me see, start webcam. I think it will work. Okay. The sound's going to be out of sync 100%, but I don't know why. The FF play command, like I need to do some optimizations because it seems to just be a little wonky. Doesn't seem to want to work right, but yeah. I had to reboot my computer to get the stream working. That doesn't sound right. Tell me more. Did you get very far? What? I don't know. I don't think I'm going to redo everything that AstroVim does just cause. Like, nah. It seems really nice. Like, that is really nice. Really nice. It's really good. Like, Packer NVim. Error running config for... Oh, I think I have to like add some more stuff. We got a whole bunch of files. This is trying to going through my pictures folder. Recents. Yeah, like I genuinely fucking love the theme of this. We need to find out where in the fuck that bitch is. Configuration. Basic configuration. Okay, look. Where is the default themes shit hidden in here? Okay? Because I want that default theme. Because that is awesome. AstroVim default theme. I need the theme's colors, okay? Where are you at? Color. Here we go. Color. Oh my god, I'm such a dipshit. Fuck. It hurts sometimes. Wait, what? Default theme package loaded default theme. Require default theme. Oh, eat my dick. Where are you? Where the colors at, bitch? I want my colors. Lua. Configs. Default theme. Here we go. Colors.lua. Perfect. Hail yeah. Here we go. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to take this and we need to apply it to everything else. Because that color scheme is tight as hell. Oh, welcome back, Jeff. Let me see. Are you running Dash Current? Yes, actually during the stream right now, I switched to Dash Current. We did that reboot to switch to Dash Current. The sound when you type and when it appears on the screen is off. Huh. Yeah, I might need to do a V-Sync as well. Yeah, AstroVim's really good, if that's what you're asking, TFL. You want to make Emacs out of Neovim? Is that it? No. No, but Astrovim's really nice. Like, it's got all the features of, like, it looks a lot like Doom, but it's not. Like, it's pretty nice. And, like, let's be honest, installing that compared to Doom Emacs was, like, 15 times faster. Yeah, I'm sorry about the out of syncness of the video. Kill that. This is a weird question out of context. It's all good. Rounded corners how? Through PyCom. You can go to my GitLab. If you go to GitLab, okay. GitLab.com /Zaney/PyCom. You'll find I have a custom build of PyCom for excuse me, for OpenBSD. But if you don't use OpenBSD, that's fine. It's just a fork of PyJulius's PyCom, so you can click the link here and then just get his PyCom for Linux. So if that's what you're using, you can get it there. If you're using OpenBSD, all you gotta do is just install the dependencies, get ASCII doc if you want it, and then for the documentation, then follow the instructions to build it and do as install Ninja install it, and bada bing bada boom, you're done. You've got PyCom. And then if you want to use my config for PyCom, it's in my .dot files. I think I just updated. I think that came in here, PyCom, pycom.conf. No, I did not update my pycom.conf. Atom status. Your branch is ahead of origin master by 1 commit. Oh, okay. So I guess I do need to push. Excuse me. Atom push. Oh yeah, that's right. I needed my GitLab password. So let me push this up here, and then you'll have an updated thingamajigger. There we go. Oh, and also, if you're going to clone my .dot files at all, do --depth equals 1 to save yourself some download space. Because, yeah, trust me, you want to do that. So now if I go to my PyCom config, I've shrunk it quite considerably down. Just removed a lot of the unnecessary, extraneous bits. And I've got my rounded corners here. So, yeah, there you go. We need a theme. Everything, good Lord. Yeah. Yeah, you're not lying, Root. It is a challenge to stream here. It is. Like, you actually have to put some elbow grease into getting stuff working with FFmpeg. But I'm just glad it works, you know. Oh, thank you, TFL. Thank you. Christian, welcome. Welcome to the stream. So let's see. We got the colors. What I need to do is like apply this to Alacrity. Hold on. Can I... Let's just do it this way. .config alacrity .yaml. Okay, so let's go in here. Let's go down into colors. Let's do background. Background is 1E2222A. And the foreground is ABB 2BF. Oh, well, you know, do that there. Search. Like, do we have any? Okay. Let's do the search. Foreground. I have no idea, like, the focused match and all this. I have no idea, like, what this is supposed to be. Like, bar. Like, what bar and alacrity? Like, what are you talking about? Line indicator. Non-selection. Background. Focused match, like bar. Let's change this to 1E222A. The foreground ABB2BF. The background for this being orange is D19 A66. I like that it colors the highlight so that I can see actually what the color is that I'm like typing in. Like, that's pretty nice. The foreground do ABB 2BF. Let's see, the background up here is green, so 98C 3C379, and here there we go. I like it. I like it. The background needs to be, what is that, 1E222A. Okay. Let's see how that looks. Looks fine. I really wish I could get rid of the geometry thing in CWM because it does not work with my PyCom. Or I need to add something to PyCom to like exclude the transparency from there because it breaks it. And I don't know how to do that or like what to do to fix that because in Chrome it works. In Alacrity it doesn't. Hold on. Let me go into my config, Alacrity, YAML. Make this full screen. Zoom in just a bit. If I go down in here and take the opacity and just make it 1. Now, nope. See, I still get it fucked up in Alacrity. I wonder why that is. Very weird. What type of game are you planning on making? Not sure yet. Not sure. I've got a couple of ideas that I'm trying to decide between, and then once I decide between the ideas, I want to iron it out a bit, and then continue on with it. But we'll be doing the Rust streams while I do that in the background. I was planning on doing that today, but I ended up trying to decide between whether or not I was going to stick with CWM or go to DWM or Xmonad, and messed around with both of those and decided CWM it is. CWM I really enjoy. So it's not the fact that I have opacity in my Alacrity config. Which would have been oh so simple. Let me see. Let's go down in here and change the color scheme. The black is going to be 181, A1F, A1F, red. Where's red? Here we go. Control C. Green. Control C. Just for consistency. Let's get that bar going all the way to the end. Let's do a yellow, yellow. Let's get all these colors filled out in here. Cannot believe that's the yellow. That's a shitty ass yellow, but okay. Blue. Blue right here. Magenta. Where is that? I guess magenta is going to be purple. Gonna assume. Let's get that. Orange is the new black. I don't think so. Cyan. Control Shift V. White. Here. Control C. Control Shift V. Okay. And now black. We're going to do black 1 for this. Do all the colors in their one variant here. Red 1. Green 1. Yellow. Yellow 1. Here we go. Blue 1. Oh, whoops. Ah. Ah. There we go. Magenta is purple 1. Cyan is the same cyan. We're not going to change it. And white 1. perfect. I like that theme. That theme is really nice. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know if they're different. Yeah, no, that's perfect. That is really nice. Like, I like that color scheme. That's just how I like doing it. Semi-automating it. I don't know. See, the problem though is like Alacrity's config is different than X Resources. Like everything is different. I could change all of these too in my X Resources. But let me see. Astro Vim theme Firefox. Astro. What the fuck is that? Is that like a K-pop band? Oh my god. What? Space Duck. Perfect. What I've always wanted. Doom 1. Oh, this one actually looks pretty good. Install theme. Ed. Yeah. I think that's what we'll stick with. That's pretty much close as shit. That's really close. It's very close. Now let's see if I can get Doom 1 in Chrome. Doom 1 theme in Chrome. Oh yeah, Chrome won't work. Awesome, yeah. SH Gen Felix U. No. Okay, so where is SH Gen then? Felix, you have been promoted to a moderator on the channel. Use your powers wisely and use your powers to share SH Gen. You may now post links in chat. No, this is Firefox. This is Firefox here. On my other monitor, I have Chrome open. And Chrome is shitting the bed. Which is weird, because Chrome is normally the more reliable thing here on OpenBSD. But no, not today. Not today. So share your SH Gen script magic. Let me try doing the proper username. Come up with anything? Nope. Do get some fantastic pictures. Let's see. Foreground. I guess I'll just keep manually filling this in until Felix decides to share. Background is 1E22A. Control Shift B. Yep, I can see the link. Oh, it's trying to load up in. Let me copy link address. Go to site. Yes. All right. shgen is a POSIX shell script to evaluate shell expressions within any file. It's fast, lightweight. I am so confused. Wait. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so I'm so confused. So what does this do? Like, I don't understand how to use this on any type of file. Here's a snippet of my Sathor config. So I would just add up. Like, I'm so confused. The height value. Managing configurations for multiple devices can be frustrating. I'm so confused. There's a few examples. Yes, 4x, of course. Yeah, I'm very confuzzled. Evaluates bits of shell script in any file. Like, I still don't understand. So I would need to essentially run. Hold on. So here, if I was to run query, color 6. Yeah. So I'm confuzzled. I don't understand what it's doing. Look at this. That's what I'm looking at. The Sathura config. You don't have that alias. Like, I'm just confuzzled. You know how you can echo date? Yeah. This does that on an entire file. I'm still so confused. I don't understand the point of it. I mean, I think the point is it runs through files and like would dump the actual like X resources values in here. I think that's the point, right? I'm using Astro NVIM as my config. It's pretty nice. Okay. So to add, like, that's what I guess my point is how in the hell do I use this? Like, in this situation, it can be used to multiply any pixel. DPI 50. Oh, I got you. You have a function in your path that grabs your X resources colors. I have an example in the README. So X query here. That's what you're talking about. XRDB query grep1 print nf. Like, what does this do? Okay. Yeah. So what? That just grabs the first background. I'm very confused as to how this would work, because that would just give it the background. Wouldn't it? Like, that would just always give it the background. Add this function to a script in your path. I'm still confused as to how that function would work. Because that would always give you the background. No, it takes argument 1 as the name of the variable, so it'd get whichever color you wanted. I mean, I see it's right there in the examples, but I still do not get how does having this X query function relate to this? Because query wouldn't give you these numbers. Like, because query is not X query, so it wouldn't even run the function. That's what I'm confused. Well, I mean, we're chatting right now. I love how they like just the geometry thing. Like, I wish it would work, but I have no idea why it doesn't. Like, it works over here in this. I think it's just Alacrity that it doesn't work in. That may just be it. I don't know. Let me see. Does it not work in anything else? Let me see. What's a good application? Audacity. You know what? I'll load up Audacity. Does it work in Audacity? Yep, works just fine. Xquery is executed in DPI. Well, I don't need to do anything with DPI. DPI is a whole separate function. I know it's executed here, but I don't need anything to do with XDPI. That's why I'm confused by this. Felix, you're a mod here. You can type it in chat here. Because I don't have Discord open. And I can't share Discord with everybody. Because Chromium won't work. And I don't think I'm logged in on Firefox. I don't know. Am I? Don't show off any personal shit. General Linuxy chat. So I have this in a script in my path. Okay. Yeah, but wait, see, this is the thing though. Why do this? Because I'm going to have to manually change over every single one of my values in all of my scripts anyway, and then run a script that's going to change them to the actual values that they need to be. Why don't I just manually do it all once anyway? But it's a one-time effort. Well, this would require me saving all of my scripts differently. Next time you change your color scheme, it'll take a second. But wait. Okay, I still have to fill out all of the WQ color shit every time because I want to run it through a script that's going to change them. I mean, yes, I still only have to enter the actual color values into X resources, but you have gen config and config, so you always keep the template. Ugh. That sounds like a hassle. Because that means all of my config files I need to keep duplicates of and then copy them over to the real spot. Yeah, that sounds like a pain in the ass, if I'm being honest. Because that means I need to, like, where do I keep all of my templates then? I need to create like a extra templates folder for my .config/templates. So I have a duplicate of all my config files. So vim dot, this sounds like nuts though. Okay, so I would need to essentially have this here. So I need to create a script. It's really easy once it's set up. Okay. Of course, I don't understand anything. I have publicly stated that I'm an idiot many times, and it seems like no one believes me when I say that. Like, why would I lie about being an idiot? I thought I was doing CD. Okay, so we need a CD in here. It's ls. We're gonna have we're gonna copy alacrity and make a gen dash alacrity. Obviously I can't. Okay, and then we're gonna vim into gen dash alacrity. You don't have to do this on stream, lol. I just thought it would be good for this. Why not? Well, I mean, what else are we gonna do on the stream? What else? I don't hear anybody screaming for us to do anything else, so why not? Oh, let's zoom in a bit. Make this text a little bit bigger. Okay, so in here, we would need to go, let's go to our X resources file. And so this would be the one that we actually like get, you know, working. So we would go in here and do background would be, let's see, it'd be $, and then in here, what should we call the function that we're going to make? That's a good question. I have no idea. I have no idea. What should we call it? Query, I guess query. Why not? We'll just call it query. Color. Hold on. Let me see. What the shit? Escape. Okay. So the background would just be what? Background? Query background and foreground. All right, I have to piss, boys, and grab a drink. So, what happened with OpenBSD? I missed that stream. Godot was not working. Yes, Godot performs terribly here on OpenBSD. It's really bad. Why? Let's go down here, and we're gonna do. Ah, shit. Let's copy this right this time, paste it down in here, and here we need to do foreground. All right, I have to run to the bathroom. I'm going to sprint to the bathroom and be right back. I guess while I'm gone, I'll just load up the laggy cam here. That way you guys can watch Buddy. Keep an eye on Buddy for me. Make sure he's doing good. And I'll be right back with a drink after I use the bathroom. Buddy, be good. Be good. Stream back up. No, I don't need to reduce the quality red. It's just the stream here. It likes to do this. It's the stream script. It just likes to kill itself after a while. And by kill itself, I mean it slows the system down to an absolute crawl. And then I have to do a reboot, which is really fun and awesome. It's the best. But I'm back. Had to do a reboot. Super fun. Everyone left the stream. I mean, I don't blame them. I don't blame them. Stream acted like it went down. Oh. Give me 1 second. -F SND/2 input dot level equal. There we go. Audio should be back up now. Thank you for letting me know. Yeah, I don't know why the stream likes to do this. I swear, I mean, I'm like never going to be finished with this script. Like, this script will be something that I work on till the day I die. Let's save that. I probably also need to do like a vsync equals 1 up here as well, or somewhere. To like maybe get it in sync, but I also need to figure out why it's crashing, like what's happening to make it crash. Oop. That would be really desirable. Perfect. Perfect. But yeah, I absolutely have to figure out why the stream, why it forces a crash on the system. Something just gets utilized up like too much. And I wish I knew what it was, but I've pretty much increased all the limits for the system. Like, I think that need to be maximized. Let's, instead of loading up another one here, let's see if Chrome is working now after a reboot. Because I did do the updates. That might have been what was causing Chrome to act all weird. Let's go to Google. Let's see if it works. Google Classroom. Yeah, okay. So Google's working now. Awesome. Perfect. Thank you guys for nuking that bot. Thank you very much. So let me see. I was going to load up. Dang it. Oh, yeah. Tab E. Let's do /etsy/login.conf. So if I go in here, the staff section, I guess I need to set like U limits or something like that, maybe. I don't know. Tab E /etsy/sysctl.conf. Let's take a look at all of this and see what we need to be increasing. Because there's definitely some things that we can take care of. Yeah, one can hope. Exactly. I mean, the bots here, I'll never understand the bots. Like, I'll never get it. So let's see. ulimits, OpenBSD. KSH. Was it Control F to find? Yeah. Ulimit. Oh, come on. There's only one mention of it. OpenBSD ulimit. Why am I looking at a KSH then? Okay. Setting ulimits in Etsy login conf. So is it the stack size? Data size. So I don't have data size put in here. I don't think. Oh, wait. Yes, I do. Current and max infinity. Yeah. Max proc size. Yeah. I don't think it's something I've got set in here that's the problem. I think it's just the stream like script itself is the problem, if we're being honest. Wait, do I have... Yeah, I've got 2 live chats open. That's awesome. I mean, the script seems to be working fine. Like, I genuinely do not understand what it is that makes this thing like crash or act weird with the streaming script running. Yes, I know, but I know. I have no idea what it is, but guess we'll move on. I mean, the streaming script is not acting like it's having any problems, so. Yeah, let's just keep on rocking and rolling. So let me get Doom 1 on here. Oh shit, whoops. Doom 1 theme. Chrome. No, I don't want Doom as in the game. Oh, come on. Chrome Web Store. Let's go into the themes and search Doom 1. Doom Eternal. Yeah, I'm only getting Doom video game themes. Oh, darn. You'll have to get a GTK theme which uses the Doom colors and set Chromium to adhere to GTK. Oh. Okay. Doom 1 GTK theme. Let's see. No, I don't want Doom Emacs theme pack for Doom Emacs. This just keeps popping up. Good Lord, that is fucking atrocious. Oh my God. Holy fuck, that is terrible. Dude, this is terrible. Okay. So, why you act like this? Search One Dark. It's what Doom 1 is based off. Okay. One Dark. Nothing. One Dark GTK theme. One Dark global theme. Okay, it's got a terrible fucking picture. Is it really? Is it really with green highlights? Because that's fucking atrocious. One Dark color scheme. Atom One Dark. Ah, here we go. We can just set it. There we go. That looks good. That looks fine. I wish we could get this to actually copy link address. Let's go over here, paste this. You're saying to rebuild this one, customize it, rebuild it. Change the colors. .SCS. Yeah, if only I knew the RGB values for everything. I don't know though. Because I feel like if I search One Dark on here, do I not find anything out? Like, hold on, can I search by like, can I rank it? No. Like, this is just terrible, man. I mean, this GTK theme is pretty good. The Atom One Dark theme. But then again, there's... let me go to code. Control C. CD into dot themes. Oh my god. I've got to make it make.dir dot themes. Because apparently I still haven't added my dot themes folder to my dot files. Git clone the One Dark Atom theme, and if I ls the Atom One Dark theme, okay, and let's just cd down into it and rm-rf.git. Okay, and now if I open up LX Appearance, we have the Atom One Dark theme. Apply. Looks good to me. Let's go to the GTK font, or excuse me, let's not go there. Let's vim down into dot GTK. Oh wait, I'm in this folder. CD back out. vim.gtkrc 2.0. Just go down here, GTK font name. We're gonna go and add what is it? IBM Jesus, I'm Plex. Here we go, Plex Mono. Took me forever. Then we're going to do dash italic. That should give us the one that we want, hopefully. And then dot config GTK3 settings INI. Go down here. And we're going to do, what is this? IBM Plex Mono dash italic. That should give us that. So I do LX Appearance. Okay, we're not getting the italic font, so that's not working. So now we're getting the proper font. I'd love to be able to get it in italics everywhere, but I don't know exactly how to do that, how to specify the style of italics everywhere, because the italics version is really where it's at, let's be honest. Looks real nice. You did. I was actually trying to remember who recommended it to me, because I didn't like it back then, but now I actually do. Like, I don't know, I've changed. It's like my tastes have changed all of a sudden. I'm like, yeah, this does look really good. Let's see if we can find how to specify. Actually, first things first, what we're going to do is go to Settings, and we're going to go to Appearance and use GTK. Oh. Something's going on by the door. Buddy, Shush. No. No. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Use GTK. But it's not setting. For some reason. Huh. Why is GTK not being set? It may be because of Unveil or something. It can't actually use it. That very well could be it. Refresh. Enable this item. There we go. Perfect. All right. Okay. Well, whatever. It don't matter. We still got it set. It's fine. Oh my God. Where it loses focus and it goes like that, that is just not going to fly. Please tell me that's just... No, that's the way the theme is looking. That is really bad. Add this one to Chrome. Let's check out this one. Much better. Much better. Much better. Switch to using GTK and Chromium settings. I've already done that. That's what I just did. It didn't work. It just went back to the default white shit. Plus it kind of screws up when text should show as italic. Not really. Because, I mean, for me, I'm not really caring. Like, inside of the terminal, it doesn't matter if shit's showing as italic or not. I don't really ever differentiate. I don't really have any like markdown files or anything like that. But that's my thing, TFL. When will it matter? Like, when will it matter when something is italic or not italic in the terminal? Like, I don't write my emails up in the terminal. I don't use italics in the terminal or in emails, if we're being honest. I don't send business emails, really. But there may be that one time in the grand scheme of things, it's probably bugger all to worry about. I can't think of literally any scenario in the terminal where it matters. When output is used to emphasize something important, wouldn't you spit that out with color though? Like, if it's like important, wouldn't you like spit it out as red? Like, I genuinely can't think of any time. You should set up Comic Sans for italic. Oh God. Ugh. No. I would seriously like, so if I open up Firefox, will I get it with, yes. Okay. So we're getting it with, I got to be honest, like Firefox looks better. If we're being like, if I'm just going to be honest, Firefox just looks a lot better. It just does. It really does. I don't think Firefox is as fast, though, if we're being honest. If we're being honest, I think, if I have to be honest, I'm pretty sure it's not as fast. I have no idea what I'm doing at this point. Because I probably need to change. I mean, I could update Dunst and everything to use the new theme, but it's really not that far off, if we're being honest. I'm not the biggest fan of Comic Sans. Actually, you know what? We do need to find. I need to find a font that the regular font and italics both I really like. Give me your guys' font recommendations, because I'm kind of over Hermit. Hermit's not terrible, but it's also not great either. Like, let's see, Noto fonts. So I've got plenty of them. I think I've got all the Noto fonts installed on here. I'm like pretty sure. iOS Vecca. Arial. Got red. Get out of it. Come on now. Come on now, Arial. Come on. iOS Vecca. I feel like, let me see. FC-list. Do we already have that on the system? grep for iOS. Echo. No, it's not on the system. Fear Code Mono or Comic Code, 35 bucks. Comic Code. I'm not buying a font, that's for sure. I'm a cheap ass mofo. All right. Let's see. Jeez, iOS Vecca is an open source sans serif, slab serif, monospace, quasi-proportional typeface family designed for writing code and using in terminals and for very technical documents. Holy shit. That was a mouthful. I mean, it looks, I mean, it doesn't look bad. It just looks all right. Comic Sans Mono. Dude. Comic Sans Mono. I need to see Comic Mono font. Wait. Since childhood. Dude, like if I started using this, like I swear so many people would be pissed off, but I actually like it. Like this actually looks good. I'm not gonna lie, this Comic Mono looks pretty fucking good. Like it really does. I know people hate Comic Sans, but fuck, this actually looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Jane Austen font. Copy link address. Go to site. Wait, what? So like I could change more about it. Yeah, this is like way over my head. Like this is like this is too much. Yeah, I don't even know what to do here. Oh, that's pretty sick. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's pretty cool. Huh, interesting. I don't know, boys. I might just have to do the thing that would piss the most people off and use Comic Mono. Kind of like it. let's give it a little whirly poo. All right. Comic mono and comic mono bold. Like, so is there an italics? Like, is that italics here? I don't think so. No, doesn't seem like it. No, actually, it may be. Yeah, I think this is an italics. Comic Sans, yes. We might as well just really upset everybody. I mean, I'm fine with it. It actually doesn't look bad. I kind of like it. And I know it will upset so many people. So many. I think this is what we go with. We just troll so many people. Yes. Let's try it. Why not? CD and downloads, right? Should be in here. So RM. Buddy, get down. MV comic mono.ttf. We're going to move that into .local. Share fonts. And then we're going to move comic mono bold into fonts. And then we're going to do fc-cache so it updates. And then if we go into cd and then we vim into .config alacrity YAML, we go down in here and we change this to comic mono and we do regular might have to hold on, WQ here, see it update. Oh, perfect. Oh my lord, look at that Comic Sans. Yes sir. Leaves chat, leaves Discord, unsubscribes. all because I tried Comic Sans. Red. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this is not bad. Oh wait, hold on. Let's fc-list and grep for comic mono. Yeah, so go in here. Family dash comic mono dash bold. Oh, whoops. Ah, shit. I mean, I don't even know if this has a comic, or has a italic, but it's Comic Sans. I don't think it really matters. Let's see, no, let's not open up my stream key. Let's not do that. I don't know. Let's check out my PyCom config. I mean, I don't know, boys. Is Comic Sans really what we're gonna use? mean, it's not terrible, but it is, it's definitely a bold choice. Thanks, LeBlanc. BTW, what are you planning for the 2K subs party? I have no idea. I have no idea what we'll do for that. I'm not that big of a Helvetica. I mean, I don't understand fonts that much either. Okay, that looks fucking terrible. I'm going to assume it's trying to go bold, but there is no bold. Shit balls. Let's go down in here. And so if I change this, and go regular and go bold here. Then we do a neo fetch. It still don't work. Yeah, no it doesn't. Looks fucking terrible. Okay. Whatever. All right, so we're going to use a different font then. All right, so on to the next font. Okay. Oh my God. Yeah, we're definitely not using this. I don't know why it's not working, but it definitely doesn't work. .local share fonts. We're going to take this, delete these. P, yes, delete y'all. I mean, we could just go back to the good old mono fur days. You know? We could. We could. Wait, hold on. MS made Cascadia code. I mean, Cascadia code, I feel like I've checked out before. Let's take a look at Cascadia code. Oh yeah, I have seen Cascadia code. Does seem pretty good. Okay, let's see. Cascadia code. Oh, look at that. Clean. Now it's actually a real image. That looks good. You know what? Oh, let's do it. Let's do Cascadia code. That sounds good. How much you want to bet that's in OpenBSD's? Cascadia, if I could spell code. Yep, knew it. Cascadia-code. Okay. Let me take a pen to write that down because I'm trying to keep track of everything that I install because I'm going to update my post install script to a post install guide to a full install guide. Let's do as pkg underscore add Cascadia code. Cosette for that real 80s vibe. What the fuck is Cosette? Cosette. Oh, word. Yeah, sure. Sure, dude. I'm down. I can definitely do this. Font. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know that I could do this. I mean, that is a real 80s vibe. Yeah, that's going to end up hurting my eyes after a while. Maybe not, but buddy, you need to go outside. Hold on, buddy's gonna go outside. All right, sorry about that, boys. Had to let Buddy out. Yeah, I think we're gonna do Cascadia code. Let's go back up into here, and now let's do Cascadia code. Hold on. That's probably going to change. Ooh, Cascadia actually looks really good. FC-list. First do cache. But do list. And then grep. Grep for Cascadia. Okay, yeah, we've got all the options. Cascadia code. Yep. Right. And then this one is, ooh. Let's go here, and this one's going to be italic. And then this is going to be bold, italic. Yep. Save that. Then do a neo fetch. Looks good. Looks good. Cascadia code does actually look pretty nice. Let's do .local bin time and date. Yeah. Looks good. Let's do vim.gtkrc. Cascadia code. .config gtk-3 settings. And do Cascadia code here. Oh, shit. So now, if I close out of Firefox, we should, here we go, get Cascadia code. Fine, set as default browser. I don't give a shit. Perfect. Looks good. I like it. It actually looks really good. Cascadia code, like no lie, it looks really good. I think it looks fantastic. You running the build of Alacrity with ligature support? I have no idea. I just installed Alacrity. I have no idea if this is built with that. Oh, just ate pancakes. I'm a little jealous. Just a tiny bit. Like, just a tiny bit. Also, let me go in here. Let me cd into my .local bin folder. And I'm going to vim my set wall script here. And I think I'm going to go down here. And instead of doing solarized, I'm going to do teal puffy. Save that. And then if I do mod slash, yeah, I think we'll use that. Yeah, that's better. If you type ligatures work. I guess not, because it's still two individual ones. Yeah, ligature support like has never really. That doesn't bother me one bit. I don't normally use ligature support. It should have some opacity. We can arrange that. We can definitely do that. I don't see why not. I mean, I'm not that in need of opacity, but I mean, we could do it. I don't see why not. First things first, we could do cd backup. Let's vim into my .config alacrity. We've just mainly been fucking around with alacrity today. Let's change this to 0.9. Well, see, the only thing that's annoying, though, is like when I give it transparency, though, when I open up in Vim, it's not going to have transparency anymore. I wonder if you can get Neovim to have transparency, too? Neovim transparency. I'm sure you can. Removes all background colors to make NVim transparent. Wait, do we already have that? No. Okay, so we just need to add this one. So how do we add this to our Neovim? How do we add this plugin? So y'all Neovim users, how do I actually do this? Do I just add this into my config? Which I'm going to assume no. If you would have it, you would have it if you didn't set a color scheme. Well, it's this is Astrovim, so it comes with its own color scheme. I'm going to assume it's just okay. Astrovim plugin. Installation. Manage plugins. Run Packer clean to remove. Packer sync to update and clean plugins. Default plugin configuration. See, I don't Packer. Like I don't know how to add plugins. Packer sync. Okay, but for whichever file configures Packer. Okay, but I still don't understand. How would I use Packer to install this program? That's what I don't get. Oh. What was it? Spacey. How do I show the dot files? How did I get into the Etsy folder? I pressed comma and I don't, or I mean I pressed period and now I'm in home/Etsy. How do I go back up? I don't know. Awesome. Usage, basic walkthrough. Close buffer commenting. No, I need to know how to use the file manager. Default mappings. NeoTree. Space E. NeoTree focus. Space O. That doesn't tell me anything. Oh my fucking god. So now I'm going to have to go do research into NeoTree. See, this is why I don't like using a whole bunch of configured shit anyway. I think you can add make your hex color bigger. I have Mintalk. That made no sense, brother. Just being how to use Packer. Well, that's not happening. Well, I'm pretty sure this is a plugin. Require transparent. Yep. No idea. I genuinely don't know what to do. I've never installed a package before. I don't know how the fuck this works. I'm at a loss. I have no idea. Go to .config nvim lua user example. Move it to lua user. It is a default config. Then just follow comment in that file. That makes no sense. Okay. ls .config nvim lua no, I have no idea. Is this fun? No, it's really not. Because I just don't even know. I won't be. We're going to be, me and my family are going to be playing card games here before too long. But I genuinely don't even know how the nvim packer install plugin. Like, this is the shit that makes me just want to go back to Vim. Like, yeah, it looks great. Astro Vim looks really awesome. It's got a lot of nice features. But fuck me, is it difficult to use. Specifying plugins. Management. Use. Packer is based around declarative. This is so much goddamn text. All I want to do is add a fucking plugin. Like, Jesus Christ. The complexity of this motherfucker compared to Vimplug is astounding. Jesus Christ. All I want to do is add in transparency. And it's like a 16-step process that involves smashing my nuts against a table. What the fuck? This is crazy. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. Or build a good Pokemon deck. Yeah, that sounds great. This makes Emacs look easy. Exactly. Like, so I'm supposed to copy a whole bunch of something over to somewhere else, and then I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. Hold on. Vim. Let me vim into my .config, nvim, and init lua. And I'm going to look at this like I understand a fucking lick of Lua. Yeah, okay. Sounds great. Core plugins. Lua core plugins Lua. Okay. So let's vim into my plugins Lua. Plugin manager. Okay, so here's where we add in plugins. Perfect. Okay. I think I found it, boys. Okay, so inside of here, we would add in the transparent.vim. Or Lua, transparent.lua. Fuck. I don't know. Okay, I guess the transparent.lua goes in the Lua folder. Shouldn't this be an NVIM file though? Everything else is an NVIM file. Oh, bless my little fucking heart. I have no idea. Yeah. I mean, as great as this looks, I think I'm going to have to pass on this. This is just too much. Like, this is the problem with Neovim, Emacs, all the extra options. There's just too much fucking shit going on. Like, I don't, like, they're just too complex. It's the problem with these starter packs. I don't know. I don't know, brother. I don't know. Like I'd kind of just hold on. Let's go ahead and let's just RF my entire NVIM folder. I'm fine with it. NVIM, nuke it. Vim dot CWMRC. Okay, so now we just got our default shiznit. Cool. Okay. We have a default Neovim. We just nuked everything in there. Sure, that wasn't a bad idea. I genuinely just can't care at this point. Neovim. Let's go here. Documentation. General. Neovim plugins. Plugin manager. Packer.in. No. Like, see, this is I'm not. No. I already looked at Packer's documentation. That's not even a fucking option. Period. No. Neovim configuration switcher written in Lua. I don't know, man. E and Emacs stands for easy. Yeah, okay. All right. Just use your Vim config and go from there. You need to have your init.vim where you source .vimrc. You can use vimplug. Thank fuck. Thank fuck. Okay, so but you can install Lua. I think you meant to say can't install Lua plugins with vimplug. I have no idea what Scott just deleted. Neovim is fully backwards compatible with Vim. Well, I would assume so. It is Vim at the end of the day. But so I need to put my Vimr, or I need to make a. Where's the init shit go? Like, oh my god, documentation FAQ. Let's go in here. Check health. Let's try that. Check health. Python 3 warning, no Python executable found. Could not load. Perl provider. Yeah, I definitely don't need a Perl provider. Okay. Sounds good. I think. I don't know. How to change the shape in the terminal. How to change cursor color in the terminal. configuration. Here we go. Standard configuration can be in Vim script or Lua. See help config. You can copy your existing vimrc or symlink it. Transitioning from Vim. To start the transition, create your init.vim. Init.vim where? Oh my god, a 404. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. User config file. What is set runtime path? What the Vim at pack? What is this? Let's restart in Vim and your existing Vim configuration. Okay, here we go. .config in Vim init.vim. Makes sense. Okay. Jesus. So vim.config in Vim slash, oh well, we'll need to make the folder. Again, make dir.config in Vim. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Vim.config in Vim and init.vim. Okay. And then we need to do this. Just copy these in here. Okay. Nope. Okay. WQ. And now Vim into my dot. God, fuck. Config. Let's do my Alacrity. Alacrity config. I mean, yeah. So we've got actual like stuff going on. That's cool. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of the like lines going down. Probably want to turn that off. But so wait, if I do plug install, cool. Better. Still need to do some more like theming and shit, but it's at least there. Well, it still seems pretty fucking complicated. So instead of this, let's go to the Vim transparent script. Thank you. Here we go. Let's go to my vimrc. Oh wait, well no, we don't need this anymore because we're not actually using the Astro Vim shit. At least we don't need it right now. So weird. But also the problem with this is I need to get transparency elsewhere and like Rofi and shit. If I want to do transparency, which honestly I don't know that I care that much about transparency. I mean, it's nice and all, but yeah, so I don't know what else we do with NVIM. Like, see, here's the problem though. If I'm going to be using Neovim and just sourcing my VimRC to run Neovim, like, what am I doing? Like, why? Like, what extra shit am I getting from Neovim? Like Neovim plugins that are awesome. Like, I mean, I'd like to set up everything like AstroVim, but I don't know how to fucking do that at all. And that's going to take so long of setting up. Lua line, like, I don't know. Did you see Art Center's i3? I don't think he's using i3, but yeah, I saw his opacity. It looks good. His transparency looks good. No, transparency does nothing to the GPU unless you're on like really old hardware. I have nary a clue what we'd add. Like I don't know the first thing. Like AstroVim looked really good, but I would have like I have no idea where to start on a lot of this shit. Auto completion with CMP. I mean, it was working good. Completion sources are listed from external repositories and sourced. What the fuck? So I just need to copy this entire shit for a Lua snip. I have no idea, Leo. I have no idea. I don't even know, man. Like it's the ironic part of a really nice pre-configured setup makes it to where I can't change the setup at all without getting extremely confused and potentially wrecking everything. And then going from the ground up is such a monumental fucking task that I don't even understand where to start. Like I don't get a fucking lick of what's going on here. I mean, I get that we're getting like fucking 8 plugins here. Like, what is this? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 plugins. So we're installing 8 plugins. We're setting it up with some stuff here, mapping stuff, Control F, Control B for scroll docs, something and something. I don't even know what's going on. This is the problem with Vim, like, or Neovim. I don't understand a fucking lick of it. Yeah. I have no idea. Exactly. I might just go back to Helix. Let's see. Do as pkg_add Helix. Give it my password. Oh, Helix OpenBSD. I think it may be like, I think the package name might be different. Oh, come on. I don't think I had to build it for OpenBSD. Itch. Maybe I did. I mean, we could just build it from source, though. Good. Shit, why not? Let's just build this bitch from source. What are you talking about, Red? I know plenty of people who have Linux configured properly with a GPU. My buddy has like pretty much the same config that Mutahar has going on. Arch Linux with a 5700 XT with a Windows virtual machine that with a 2080 Super passed through to it. It's really not hard. It's not hard at all, actually. As long as you have the IOMMU groups set up, super easy. He just switches over the monitor input whenever he wants to use one. Oh, okay. I don't know. It's almost 7 o'clock here, so yeah. So we'll just go ahead, build cargo from source. Why not? Seeing if the streaming script was like, if it was like really, dang, buddy. Dang. My sister got home, so all the dogs are going crazy. HX not found. Oh, build failed. Socket 2. What? Why did this fail? For more information, Russ C -- explain EO432. An import was unresolved. If you try to use an how many animals do you have? Well, I got my dog, my sister's got her dog, and then my mom's got her dog. That's it. Okay, so open ports.sc. Buddy, get down. Helix. Nothing. Nope. So it hasn't been ported over here. Let's see. libc IP. I don't understand why it failed. I don't get it. Library dependencies. Oh my god, we got the spam bot back. Fuck off, bots. Jesus, wow. Can I report? Yep. Pornographic. Jesus, man. Report. Put user in a timeout too. Shit. Why would you want to use Helix? Because Neovim is too much, and Helix is really nice. Oh my god, Control C. RM-RF Helix. Like, why did it fail? That's what I don't get. Like, unresolved import. How is it the same bot? That's a good question. I have no idea. Okay, so Helix is out of the question. Like, when it comes to text editors, I never thought that getting something would be like a nice text editor that I enjoy, that's simple but has, like, you know, a bit of features, would be this fucking complex. Like, AstroVim's really good. You know what? I might just, if I want to keep using Neovim, I might just use AstroVim. Fuck the transparency on it. Who cares? I really like the way it looked and everything. You know what? vim.alacrity.config alacrity.yaml. Well, go down here. Yeah, because I don't really care to add everything, make everything transparent. I really don't care. Astro Vim. Let's copy this. Do a backup of my current NVim config. Get Astro Vim. Emacs is the way I learned to love it. Yeah, no, that's not going to happen. I seriously don't like it. Like, that's just the truth. I seriously don't like it. Lua Chung, Lua impatient, could not hash, Packer compile, error, start, impatient. Oh, now it's... See, it does work, but it gives me that error when we install it and all. But whatever. Damn, the bot came back again? Jesus. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, this looks fine. Spacey. Like, I mean, the really good part would be if it told me how to go, like, up and down directories. Like, if I accidentally did this, so now that makes it my top level directory. How do I, like, how do I make the home directory my directory now? Oh, escape. Like, how do I go back up and have my home directory be the top directory, top level directory? Jesus, how is this bot still coming back? Put user in a timeout. Like, damn. See if we can time him out for like 3 hours. Like, how is this even happening? I'm going to use Space Vim for my Vim. It's fine. Run. You want me to run Packer sync. Oh, shit. I didn't even run the correct command. Packer sync. Okay, everything is already up to date. Cool. Okay, so everything's working. I don't know why it gave me the error when it installs though. But yeah, AstroVim seems to be working. So yippee-ki-yay. There we go. I mean, seems to be fine. You know, everything seems to be a-okay here. Let's see. What about, so I've got the GTK theme set, right? So LX appearance. Looks fine. Atom one dark theme. I want to get the new Adwaita icon set. Oh, wait, it's already here. Yo, okay. Cool. Control U to go up a directory. Let's see. I don't think so. I don't think that's going to work, though. Let's try it, though. Let's do downloads here. Control U. No. Nope. Nope. Space U. Nope. Nope. I have no idea. See, toggle Explorer, focus Explorer? No. Yep, I have no idea. We triple timed it out. Because I think Felix hit it for 300, I hit it for 300, you hit it for 300. Ooh, FFF inside of Neovim, that'd be pretty sick. I don't think you could actually create a script to automatically block bots. That would be extremely difficult. Trust me, if Google can't figure out how to automatically block bots, I don't know that we'll be able to. Yeah, but Felix, I don't think you're getting what like the point here. Building Neovim up from the ground is a pain in the ass. And I might as well just stick with Vim. Like, hold on. rm-rf.config nvim backup, remove both of those, don't care. Do as pkg underscore delete neovim. Package delete -a. Let's get rid of any orphan packages that we got. Okay. Busy. I'll be there in a minute. All right. So I'm about to have to leave. I'm getting called. But I think it's just going to be back to Vim for us. Oh my gosh, VI, because I'm going to have to VI in here. I forgot about this. KSH RC, change, just delete that, save that. Load it back up, and we should be able to vim.config alacrity YAML. Yeah, so we're just in regular old Vim, and then just go into the FF copy link address, Control V. We just get the FFF because that would be really nice. Let's go to cd in a .config, or excuse me, into my .vim slash plugged ls rm-rf nerd tree. Vim into my .config, or excuse me, .vim rc file. Delete these lines and do this fff.vim. To plug, install. Okay. Open in .files or other path. Oh wait, is there any reason for me to press F in normal mode already? No. Perfect. Okay. Copy that. And go in here. Like it. Much better. Much better. Yes. I like it. I like it a lot. Find is a F. No, it's not. Pretty sure find a slash. Yeah, like. Yeah. But I think that's fine. F is find in normal mode. I've never. So delete that. WQ. F. U. Yeah, it does nothing when I press F. Yeah, when I press F, nothing happens. F and T are for to and right of occurrences. F and T? F and T? Why would I need that? On a line? Yeah, I'll go ahead and remap that because that I don't need. Yeah, that's fine. Plus, it makes more sense to have it be file manager. Vertical split nerd tree style. I like that. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh my God. Delete that line. Copy this over here. Control Shift V. Like it. No, seems good. Yeah, seems fine. It's very useful. Huge time saver. I doubt it. Because, I mean, you just... If I need to, like, get to the T here, boom. Like, if I need to get to the I, like, I don't know, you just go to the word and then click over it. I really don't see it being that useful. Because on this line here, I'd have to go F-I, F-I, keep going just to get over the second one when I could just easily get, like, it's the same. I really highly doubt that's going to save me a lot of time. You can shorten source to SO too. I don't know what that's in reference to, but thank you. And source vim so you don't have to quit every time. Type W, pipe source % to save and source vim so you don't have to quit every time. Oh, well, that's fine to quit. It's the same thing. True TFL. All right, well, I assume my family's waiting on me, and I've been streaming for a while, so I think we're going to call it an end here. But yeah, so NVIM has ended with me not using NVIM or AstroVim, but NVIM or AstroVim, whatever. It's pretty good. Don't really have a big problem with it, but yeah, I'm not going to stay using it. So yeah, but yeah, I guess tomorrow we'll be doing our Rust stream, and later on tonight, or tomorrow actually, I don't know that I will be doing a Rust stream. I have no idea. I might just be posting a video. I have no idea, but there will be at least something tomorrow. But the next stream that we're going to have will be the Rust live stream. We'll be going back into Rust. So, yeah. Hope you guys have a good one. No, Peter, I will not be streaming again later. Just letting you guys know. No, won't happen. This will be the last stream for today. So, everybody, thanks for being here. I hope all you guys have a good one. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Boy.